Hi, hello everyone. Today I'll take you through how artificial intelligence is reshaping the way CA works or the CA students study for their exams. We will be looking at four tools, that is the custom GPT, notebook LM, knowledge base, and napkin AI, and also discuss one of the biggest challenge, that is the hallucination in AI. My aim is to showcase how these tools can make you more effective while working or while studying. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that understands the questions in natural language and responds like human. It is trained on a vast amount of data sets and resources, and it uses LLM, that is large language model, to respond to your queries, what you put ask ChatGPT. Now, Custom GPT. Custom GPT is a feature that is added in ChatGPT that helps you building like your own virtual assistant. You can upload your uh, PDF files, you can upload your Excel, you can upload your Word documents, any given set of data sets in it, which is also known as the knowledge base. And then when you prompt Custom GPT to for your queries, it will search only through the database which you have provided or the knowledge base which you have provided, and it will extract the answers from the knowledge base. However, Custom GPT comes with the pro version of ChatGPT. Hence, I will be taking you through something called Notebook LM, which is a beautiful tool which does a very similar feature and also reduces the amount of hallucination uh, that is that is there. Here, now I have used Perplexity to I have given a prompt to Perplexity to provide me all the downloadable files of India's Companies Act, then the guidance note, and then it has given set of information and also with the links. I've gone to these links and downloaded all the PDFs, including the Companies Act, India's, and also one of the video. So here I'm trying to give you a perspective of how the Notebook LM works. This is my data set on the left side. I select on I select only on the Companies Act, and then I prompt, okay, define revenue recognition as per Ind AS 115. So let us see what the answers looks like. So what Notebook LM does is it will go and search only Companies Act 2013 PDF file, and it will try to retrieve the answer from it. In case it doesn't have the answer, it will throw that no, the answer is not available. As a result of which, hallucination is completely avoided. And what does hallucination means? Hallucination is something giving the answers very confidently, but factually they are not correct. They are not wrong. So they are wrong. So here you can see no specific definition of or explanation of revenue recognition as per Ind AS. Now I select all my database, all my knowledge base, and then I give the same prompt. So it will search entire knowledge base and will give the respective answers like what is the five steps, what are the other concepts that is available in Index 115. It will not search, go to the website and search for any other uh, information. So here you can see there are small dots like for number 7. It will show you from where it has taken up the information. It will show you the source, which is very much important, which is a thing of trust. Second thing is mind map. So here, if I select Companies Act and then dissect, click on the mind map, something like this comes up. So mind map is nothing but it is a summary of entire section of any document. Let you can do for Index, you can do for company. I've done for Companies Act here. So if I go to the, let's say, share capital and debentures, it will again dissect the sections and then the subsection, and then it will throw up all the data, all the information that is pertaining to this section and this subsection. All right. So the next one, what I'll be covering is something called the Napkin AI. Napkin AI is a very beautiful tool which gives you a visual representation of the text which you provide. You can let me give you a demonstration. Like let me prompt the napkin AI with the prompt that, okay, provide me with income tax slab. Okay. Now, as a prompt, it has given me the entire write-up of the income tax slab. Now I want to develop a visual presentation of this. Okay, I want to do a presentation on the entire thing. So let me select this and then click on the blue button here. So now you can see a very beautiful data presentation which would be coming up. So you can use it for your presentation, for explaining, etc. and all right. So the next part, what I'll be covering is called the vibe coding. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is something called it's an emerging software development practice. Okay, that uses artificial intelligence to generate functional code from natural language. You and I do not know how to write codes, the intricacies of the coding, errors, etc. So, with the help of the Chat GPT, with the help of Claude, with the help of Gemini, we can write code. So here I have used Claude AI, which is till now known as the best for generating the codes. So with this, I've given a prompt that, okay, I have a okay, the basic objective is I want to reconcile the closing balance and opening balance of 31st March 2025 and 1st April 2025 respectively. Hence, I've given the prompt accordingly, and I have mentioned write me an error-free VBA code so that I can run the macros. Here comes the macro on the right side, the entire VBA code. Still, I had a doubt. Okay, how should I name the tabs so that this particular code will run error free? So it has given me suggestion. Okay, tab one you mentioned closing balance, tab two opening balance, and here I have gone and did a similar activity. Closing balance and this is the opening balance. And then I have put down the code. I just copied and pasted the code here. I have not done anything else. Alt F11. All right. Just copy paste here, close it, and then you can run the file. Alt F8. You can run the file, and it will run the entire script behind, and it will give you the results in 4.8 seconds with an absolute variance, how you want the status, the remarks, etc. So this is a very beautiful example of the usage of coding. You need not be a coding expert, and you can save a lot of time, energy in your automating the manual work, whether you do the reconciliation of the opening balances or the GST reconciliation for that matter. One quick thing I want to cover up is what I left is I'll just okay, in Notebook LLM, how it speak between Ind AS. Okay, you say that, okay, how does it speak between Ind AS and Companies Act? Okay, there is a very quick prompt which I developed. So this prompt will is what are the key differences between the Schedule 3 format of Financial Statement and Companies Act Ind AS. So it will speak between Ind AS and the Companies Act files which is uploaded or the knowledge base. It is not just pertaining to a single file, and it will throw out the result beautifully. Let us wait for a couple of seconds. It will throw out. So with this 10-minute session, what we have learned is uh, hallucination, the about the napkin AI, custom GPT, notebook LM, visual representation through napkin AI, and nothing, and last but not the least, that is the vibe coding, how you generate the codes using Claude for VBA and the macros. Here you go. You can see the sources here. Here the source is Schedule 3. Here the sources is the Ind and here the source is Companies Act. With this, I come to an end of the presentation. Thank you very much.